Good morning, everybody. This bright, sunny, yet chilly morning. Looked out the window, it's about 10 o'clock. Looked out the window and said, hey, looks fairly calm out there compared to the rest of the week. So why not continue with this week on Simcoe here? Really kind of need to wrap it up because I'm getting bored. But maybe today we'll take a trip out to Barrie. I think the wind is calm. Take a nice ride out to Barrie, and there goes a fish. Then I need to get to fishing eventually. I need to put my stuff back on and go. But for now, let's enjoy the day, go for the ride, and get this party started. Let's do this. we made it to Barrie. Took me about 2 hours, but that's because I was stopping, using the cameras, putting the drones up and stuff. Usually I could get here in about a half hour or so. Got a few really cool clips, I hope. I did notice at one point the record button pressed again, so it was off, but hopefully we got them. If not, then not, but it is what it is. So we made it to Barrie on this fine Friday, October morning. Waterfront is completely different at this time of year because it's empty, but at least the city's open. I think last year when we came here, everything was in lockdown, so while there was a lot of people around here, everything was closed. But yeah, that's about it. Not much to explore. Like I said, I'm just trying to knock off the things I didn't do on Simcoe this week, but I'm really desperate to go somewhere else before the season's over. Maybe go camping with Mark next weekend or something, just to wrap it up. But yeah, I'm gonna throw up the drone again just to explore this area a bit, which will be the wrap-up closing clips of this video. But for now, thanks as always for watching. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you soon on the next adventure. Peace. Oh man. All right guys, so I did a little test there to see how far I could actually stretch this gas tank. Now the answer I'm gonna give is a lot shorter than reality, and that's because I was going full throttle, or anywhere between 95 and 105 kilometers an hour, and I'm obviously using more gas. So what happened is I made it 17 kilometers from the point I had 0 bars. Once I hit 0 bars, I was able to get 17 kilometers out of it, and then it started choking on me. So what I did was I took it out of sports mode, dropped it into eco, and went another 2 kilometers before it started choking out on me again. So now I'm just gonna drop this fuel caddy in, top it up, and I'm 5 kilometers from home. So this close to making it, but I made it in a half hour less, 25 minutes to here. So not bad when you're not filming. But anyways, just thought you guys would want to know in case you're trying to stretch your tanks and see how much you actually have. So hope that info was helpful. See you on the next one.